Have you ever made vegan pate at home only to find it a bit too mushy, fades away too fast in the fridge, or just like that deep savory goodness that makes a banh mi truly shine? We totally get it. Today we are sharing our secret chickpea pate. It's super creamy, stays fresh for a week, and has that rich cozy flavor that makes every banh mi bite absolutely perfect. First, we soak 200 grams of chickpea overnight. Let them get nice and soft in the pressure cooker for about 50 minutes. While we get ready, wash and slice 150 grams of white mushroom. Finally, chop 5 small shallots and 5 cloves of garlic. Then saute them until they smell like heaven. Now add the mushroom, 1 teaspoon of vegan seasoning, half teaspoon of pink salt, and 1 tablespoon of tamari. Now, keep sauteing until the mushrooms turn into lovely golden brown. That's where all the magic happens. Next, toss those soft chickpeas into the blender, give them a whirl, and add in your sauteed mushrooms and keep blending until everything comes together into a creamy, smooth mixture. To make it extra buttery and rich, stir in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and maybe a pinch of black pepper if you like your pate. Then blend until it's perfectly silky. Here's a little vegan twin secret. Melt 2 tablespoons of vegan butter and pour it right over the top of. This is our magic seal that keeps it fresh for days, even weeks. You might notice our recipe keeps things simple without too many extra veggies or spices. That's because we love to let natural cozy flavors shine. This pate is a perfect base for our favorite vegan banh mi. But wait, what other yummy things go into making the perfect vegan banh mi? Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. Happy cooking, everybody!